welcome to Remitano YouTube page. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can convert your PayPal, Payoneer, or any other online wallet funds to crypto on Remitano. So are you ready? Let's get started right away. So the first thing to do after logging in is to head over to the top right section of your Remitano page. You see this icon, so you click on it and change the market to the global market. So next, you click on the buy and sell crypto USD button, and then you select the coin you want to convert your PayPal funds to. So in this case, we will be converting it to USDT, so select USDT. Okay, so look for PayPal offers. Okay, so we have one offer here. Okay, but if there's no PayPal offer available at the time you want to convert your funds, you can just create your own ad here. Okay, so I'll share another video with you that you can use so you can learn how to create your own buying ad for yourself in case there's no suitable offer at the time of trade. Okay, so just click on this one. Okay, so you view the terms of trade, all right, and the fund has to be from your own registered PayPal account in your own name. That's one of the terms I stated there, and it's essential that you review this so that you will be able to meet up to the expectation of the other trader. So once you click buy USDT, remember you have to first log into your PayPal account before you proceed on this. Okay, so you can copy this particular link here. Okay, this link is the checkout page of the trader that wants to sell his USDT for PayPal. Okay, and this is the amount that the person is selling. The person just has 3.4 USDT to sell to PayPal. So if you want something higher at this, you would have to create your own ad in case there's nothing available at that time. So any other person that wants to buy your PayPal funds can just pick it up as well. Okay, and that's it, guys. So once you finish completing the transaction, the payment transaction on the PayPal page, you just click I've paid the PayPal, I've paid the seller. Okay, and once the person receives on their own end, they will confirm the trade and your USDT will be released to you. And that's all, guys. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can create your own buy or sell ads on Remitano. Thank you.